Uh, okay, there we go. Hello everyone, this will be a very unedited video. Encoding overloaded, that's probably not good. So recently, there's been some, again, purely hypothetical drama regarding a purely hypothetical person that obviously it's all hypothetical, it's all jokes, just no cease and desist letter for me, please. But basically, right, there's been a hypothetical fake scenario regarding a potential illegal lottery gambling scenario, whatever, right? And I thought it'd be fun to give you an analysis, give you a visualization of just how unlikely certain chances are. Because in this hypothetical scenario with a hypothetical person, obviously, um, the biggest complaint that people have is that the chances given for this lottery are presented as more achievable than they actually are. This is a flaw in every single person. It's also why humans don't fully understand the severity of something like 1 in a million versus 1 in a billion. Like to you, it's like, oh yeah, a billion is higher. You cannot comprehend how higher. Like your mind is unable to register just how massive that difference is. Okay, which is kind of a weird like mind thing. I don't know. It's weird, right? And again, in this hypothetical situation, which obviously isn't real, um, a lot of people are saying, like, okay, this is what this hypothetical person is doing. They're saying that this chance is achievable, but it actually isn't, right? And this is a flaw in human psychology, and many people don't quite understand, like I said, the difference between certain numbers. Okay, so let me show you an example. Let's do 1 in 10. Are those good odds? Like if I said, okay, you have a 1 in 10 chance if you enter my raffle, 1 in 10 chance to make some money. You'd say, you know what? Yeah, those are good odds, right? That's a 10% chance. But if you enter a raffle and it's a 1 in 10 chance, it's still unlikely, right? Like, for example, like something like 1 in 2 or 1 in 3 or even 1 in 4 is likely. But then you get to 1 in 5, 1 6, 1 7, 1 8, and that's where it gets a little bit more complicated, right? So 1 10, it's reasonable, but it's still unlikely. And now let's do 10,000. Do you understand? And in fact, you literally don't understand just how unlikely this actually is. Because 1 in 10, that's like what, 10%, right? So 10,000, that'll be what? 1, 0.1, 0. Yeah. These are your chances now, right? These are not good chances. Am I supposed to put the percentage here or here? Sorry, boys. I'm not native English speaker. I'm not too good with. Actually, I don't know why I say English. This should be multilingual. Anyway, point is, right? Many people, especially you probably think you do, but you actually don't comprehend just the huge difference between these numbers. Okay, and what a lot of this drama is about, or I don't know, these allegations, is that that's exactly what you're being told. You're being told, hey, listen, give us money, and you have this chance to win. Okay, and it's actually very achievable. It's very easy. You could win a, I don't know, a signature which isn't even signed by me. Haha. You could get money, which nobody even got money. I'm pretty sure. Again, in this totally hypothetical scenario, right? Um, and people say, you know what? I like these odds. They don't understand how little these are. And to show you, I'm going to make a visualization. That's why I'm in Roblox Studio. I thought this was one of my strengths. I thought I'd contribute something of my, skill set. Because, I don't know, just feels cool, We'll have this part. I'll just call easy, and I'll just call this hard, okay? Easy will be for the 10% chance. Hard will be the, whatever this is, 0.01 or something, right? So I'll just delete the script real quick. I'll color code them as well. So this will be blue. This will be like purple or something. I don't know. And then we'll also make both of these transparent, or sorry, anchored. Anchored. We'll make both of these anchored. Okay. What I want to do is I want to make a loop. While task wait do. In case you don't know, this just basically is going to run some code basically every single frame. Okay. So this is the fastest way for something to update. So I'm literally going to be running through this as fast as the game allows me to do. And what I'm going to do is I'll say local random num is equal to math.random, right? 1 in 10, okay? So it's going to give me a random number between 1 and 10. And then I'll say if random num, right? Or actually, I think an easier way to do this would just be to if math random. Yeah, I don't know why I made a variable. This is probably a bit easier. So we're going to get a random number. And then if that random number is equal to 1, which is a 10% chance, then what we're going to do is we'll take the script.parent, we'll take this part, and we'll just add on to its size, okay? So we'll say plus 0.1 heights or something, right? And what this should do is, if I run the game, yeah, there we go. So basically, it's going to run this code every single frame, and it's going to have a 10% chance every single frame to increase the height by a little bit, okay? So this hopefully makes sense to you, right? Now, I'll take this script, I'll copy it over here, but instead of 10, it's going to be 10,000, okay? And actually, as a bonus, what I'll do is I'll say workspace easy destroy, okay? So when this chance does occur, right, we're not only going to increase the size, we're going to destroy the other part, okay? Yeah, let's just do that. So obviously, like I said, these are chances, and so by chance, it might happen on the very first frame, but what I'll do is I'll run this game, I'll leave for a little bit, and yeah, I'll just probably, I don't know, speed up the section and just show you just how massive the difference is between both of these parts. And actually, I'll remove this for now, just because, again, I don't want it to get lucky and they just destroy it, and then I just waste like 10 minutes, whatever, right? Point is, you'll see the difference in size in 5 minutes. So I'll run the game. Everything seems to be good. Okay. And let me just position the camera properly. So I'll leave, I'll come back, and yeah, we'll just, I don't know, you'll see a time lapse of how it actually happens. All right, hello, welcome back. Yeah, so I'll be honest, I'm not too sure if anything changed about this one. Uh, let me see. Where's the size? Yeah, I mean, I guess 1.2. I don't know if it changed, but look, okay, look. This is the difference between 10% and 10,000. Okay, I'm not even too sure how long this has been running for, but how many of these would we need to max the height of this? I'm actually really curious. Like, can I like duplicate this? Let's see. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You see? Do you understand? Like, bro, this is, I think, where the drama is all about. Okay, it's where people don't understand numbers because they're stupid. Um, Again, I could literally say workspace dots or what was it? Easy destroy. Okay, and if I run the game, I don't want to wait for another like 5-10 minutes or however long that was. But you know what I mean, right? Actually, wait. Let's check the size. Let's see the size. Okay, so it's 1, but before it was 1.2. So then it increased twice. While this thing, yeah, okay, yeah, yeah. That's basically it. I could have gone for higher numbers. I just didn't want to because obviously having to wait for a 1 in a million chance is, like I said, it's incomprehensible, right? And you know what the funny thing is, right? What if I remove a 0? Like, let's see. There, it's gone immediately. Isn't that crazy? What if I remove another 0? Okay, took a bit longer, but again, it's just a chance, right? So, again, 1 in 1,000. Okay, there we go. Now, 1 in 10,000, like, you know, it's all exponential. Bro, numbers are crazy. And now imagine 10,000. Imagine a million. Imagine 10 million. How, with these raffles and lotteries, again, hypothetical, not real, obviously, the numbers go a lot higher, right? I'm pretty sure in one of these hypothetical videos, they claimed that the chance to win something was a 1 in 6,000 chance, right? So if I do it like this, let's just see. Let's just see. Every single frame, by the way, is a purchase. Okay, every single frame is a purchase. So let me actually do it like this: print lost, and then print won. Okay, so let's say you're buying the t-shirts or whatever, and you want to win a prize. Okay, these are the odds of you winning a prize. Now let's see. Look at the amount of stuff you'd have to buy. Do you see? Okay, damn, we're lagging out a bit. It's still you still haven't won. 1,000 t-shirts. How much do they even cost? Like $30? You'd be down $30,000 for nothing. Do you understand why people are upset at this now? Or I'm sorry, at this hypothetical scenario. Yeah. Anyways, I don't know. Think what you will about this fake drama that obviously isn't real. Go check out this video as well. I've been watching it. It's actually really interesting, really cool. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, just be aware of big numbers. Be aware of, I don't know, YouTubers being stupid. Again, in a hypothetical scenario that obviously isn't happening. And as always, we are back to basics. Thank you for watching.